show you how to download and install LDPlayer software. So let's go together. The first of all, go to Google and then type in LDPlayer here. Click on it and then go through to that website. Here, this is you can download here. Download LDPlayer now. Click here and then the download is full on this like this. So let's go to open and install it. Double click to install it. Now let's go to click on install. Then waiting it download to install here. Just waiting. Yeah. Now the download is here. 200 megs. Yes, so move on to 200 megs. Moves forward to 322, 340, 360. And now it's to 400 megs. 150, 120, 170. Now let's go to 400 megs. Yes, download. First of all, let's go to 600 megs. And now let's go to 667, 368, 688. Now let's move on to 700 megs. Yes, it is preparing to install here. Just taking 21%, 23, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48. So fast. Right, waiting until it's installed completely. Now the LD is ready. The LD player is ready. Let's go. We're still waiting. 49, 47, 94%. And now the LD player is ready in the desktop here. This is LDPlayer. So this one, select this one, you close it, and then you can move into here. You can click here or you can click here. Thank you. That's all for the installation. Please go together. Thank you.